This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Remove the trim panel beneath the glove box. Remove the lower glove box mounting bolts. Open the glove box and depress the side of one glove box retaining stop to dislodge it and allow for the removal of the glove box. Locate the PGM FI main relay number 2, otherwise known as the fuel pump relay. It might be easier to unplug the relay if the electrical box is first released from the bracket. Depress the retaining tab with a screwdriver and slide out the relay box. Unplug the fuel pump relay from the socket. Start the engine and allow it to stall. Pull the hood release lever, located on the driver's side kick panel. Lift the hood safety latch and raise the hood upwards, then support it with the prop rod. Loosen the cable nut, then disconnect the negative battery cable. Remove the rear seat cushion retaining bolt. At each side, pull up sharply on the front of the seat cushion and remove it from inside the vehicle. Remove the fuel pump access cover screws, then remove the fuel pump access cover. Disconnect the fuel pump and fuel gauge sending unit electrical connector. Clean the area on and around the top of the fuel pump assembly to prevent any foreign material from entering the fuel tank. Disconnect the quick connect fitting for the fuel supply line and position the supply line aside. Remove the fuel pump lock ring, a special tool for loosening and tightening the fuel pump and fuel gauge sending unit lock ring is available at most auto parts stores. If this tool cannot be obtained, a pair of large adjustable pliers contacting the notches on the lock ring will work. A large screwdriver is inserted through the opening in the pliers to provide extra leverage for loosening or tightening. Remove the fuel pump and fuel gauge sending unit module from the tank. Carefully angle the module to protect the float arm and the float from damage and to drain out any remaining fuel. After removing the pump and sending unit module, inspect the sealing ring for cracks, tears, and deterioration. If it's damaged, replace it. Install the sealing ring onto the lip of the fuel tank opening. Don't try to install it with the module, which might cause it to become pinched or distorted. Install the fuel pump module into the tank, being careful to avoid damage to the float arm. Align the index mark on top of the module between the two marks at the edge of the opening. Install the fuel pump lock ring and tighten it securely, using the correct method that was chosen when loosening the ring. Connect the fuel line quick connect fitting to the top of the pump module. Then connect the electrical connector. Install the fuel pump relay to the electrical box. Slide the box back onto the retaining bracket. Position the glove box in its mounting and install the retaining stop. Install the glove box lower mounting bolts securely. Install the trim panel beneath the glove box, pushing the retaining clips on the panels securely in place. Connect the negative battery cable and tighten the bolts securely. Turn the ignition switch to the on position and allow the system to repressurize. Then start the engine and check for fuel leaks at the pump fuel line connection. If there are no leaks, proceed to installing the remaining components. Install the fuel pump access cover and mounting screws. Install the rear seat cushion, first inserting the seat belt buckles through the slots in the seat. Align the metal tabs at the front of the seat cushion with the retaining slots, then push the front of the cushion down firmly to lock it in place. Install the rear seat cushion retaining bolt and tighten it securely.